Hi everyone, Lyndon here from Races to Places, or Team Races to Places as we are now. Just wanted to give a quick update. We are 24 hours away from the end of the Kickstarter campaign, so just 24 hours left if anybody wants to get a pledge in and get one of the reward packages in return for their pledges. Will be closed off in 24 hours. It's amazing to see how well it's gone and how many people have got behind it. Just over 600 people now have supported that Kickstarter campaign and made it possible to achieve the target. And what that does for me is it just confirms to me that people really liked watching the media from Dakar 18 and the media that I created in that daily series with the team. And if I look at this picture, it brings back a lot of memories about that race in Dakar 2018. And what we achieved as a team, everybody, it's not something that I could do alone, and it takes a lot of people, including you guys, the people that pledge and support to make contributions to make it possible financially. It's not easy to bring the media like I do, and it's a lot of work involved and also a lot of money. So for those people that understand and have got involved, it really does mean a lot, and I can't thank you all enough, all the 600 that have contributed. So without doubt, the most popular pledge amount has been for this climb, Team Races to Places, Lyndon Poskitt Racing, mid-layer jacket. This is just a prototype, but the actual one will be a production item produced in the factory by Climb. It's got a big Team Races to Places logo on the back. It looks really cool, and I know I can't wait to see people wearing them all over the world. So we've currently got them shipping all out to the world next year once they arrive. So it's thanks to Climb and you guys and everybody that's involved from a sponsor point of view or even just a pledge point of view through the Kickstarter. It's a huge machine to make it all come together. It's not just me as an individual. It really does take a lot of people to pull it off. So I'm sat here today with 24 hours to go on the Kickstarter, saying a thank you. Anybody else that wants to get involved, 24 hours left to do it. And for those that are looking at it thinking, no, it's already made its target, yeah, it has. But there's an awful lot of things that I would like to do from the race, which we didn't include in the Kickstarter, which we can now include. So I've already engaged one of the best rally photographers from the rally world to take some still pictures and to also get some helicopter still pictures from the team in the Africa Eco Race, which I think will be absolutely epic. So just trying to put the additional funds from the Kickstarter to good use, so that we make the best possible video series and get the best features that we can from the race. So there's a lot going on here. Busy preparing the bikes for those that have been watching my media. Busy getting the bikes together, the service vehicles, all the spare parts, and I've got a lot of help from the support team here, and my father and the members of the crew that are coming to the race, helping to get it all together. It is a big project and it's taken a lot of effort. So it's about 36 days, I think, to the race start. So we're really trying to hammer it and get everything ready now before we go. And it's not just equipment, it's paperwork and documentation, and there's all kinds of things to sort out, visas and travel documents and all things like that. So it's a big machine. So but we will be there, we'll be taking the team, and we will be racing the Africa Eco Race and making a daily video series, which is what everybody wants. So I'm excited. I'm really pleased how the Kickstarter project went. I'm motivated by the fact that people love what I do and are willing to contribute towards it, to see another great video series on YouTube, and that's what we're here to create. So I'll be back soon with an update where we are, and hopefully try and get some preparation videos out before the race. and in between everything else that we're doing. So yeah, can't say thanks enough to everybody, and I'm looking forward to bringing you more cool media. Thanks, guys.